In this video I'm going to show you how to add your name to your screen here and here. When your screen is locked, tap and hold your finger down and then go to customize. Tap on lock screen. Here to go to the widget section. Then scroll down and go to the battery section and tap on there. Then select the option on the right for battery. Pull down with your finger the control center. Now tap on your focus. Tap on add new focus. Go to custom. Then you type in your name. And then you can scroll, select an icon. You can select a colour as well. Then follow the process through. Choose your lock screen.